Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, following chart shows number of students in a school who play one of three sports. The number of students who play cricket and football are. Means here we have to find the number of students who play cricket and football. The number of students who play cricket and football are given by. Here we can observe the number of students who play cricket and football is given by 10 plus 15. That is, there are 25 students who play cricket and football.